5 costly AI mistakes business owners need to avoid using AI. You might be wasting time and money. Think your AI tools are helping your business? You might be making the same mistakes that stall growth, kill momentum, and drain profit. Here are 5 AI mistakes small businesses can't afford. In this video, we'll break down 5 of the most common AI mistakes business owners make and how to fix them with smarter systems and a clearer strategy. Mistake 1. Using AI without a clear goal. Most businesses dive into AI with no specific use case. They experiment with tools, hoping something sticks. But without a problem to solve, all they get is noise, not results. Mistake 2. Tools systems. A tool gives you output, a system gives you outcomes. Scattered tools don't scale, connected systems do. If your AI doesn't feed your sales, marketing, or operations, it's not helping. Mistake 3. Automating low-impact work. AI shouldn't be used to organize folders or write internal memos. Start with what drives growth. Lead follow-ups, sales emails, content, and decision-making. Mistake 4. No ROI equals no growth. If you're not measuring the impact of AI, how many hours saved, leads generated, or dollars earned, you're flying blind. You can't scale what you can't track. Mistake 5. Waiting for the perfect moment. Every quarter you wait is a quarter that your competitors gain an advantage. The best way to win with AI? Start small, build momentum, iterate fast. Recap. Fix these 5 AI mistakes. To move forward with AI, fix these 5 things. Start with a clear use case. Build systems, not stacks. Automate what matters. Measure what works. And stop waiting.